I visited Wood Corner, a new vendor that supplies office furniture. Here is a photo of largeness that you like. What's the cost? They cost $140 but they are discounted to $100. If we order a minimum 10 desks, we can sell them at $220. Sounds good at creative product in our catalog.
In title, type large desk. Then change invoicing policy to delivered quantities. Type sales price as $12,540 and cost $7,980. In category, type all saleable. Then create. Go to purchase, add line, type wood corner, then click create and edit and put the address. After that, go to tags, type fixed asset, and put your first name and last name. And put your logo. Now, save, then back to wood corner and type the quantity as 1 and type again wood corner in add line, then change the quantity to 10, then type unit price as 5,700 and click the product, then save.
Purchase a large desk. What are your monthly services? Between 9 and 12. Okay, I'll purchase 10 desks next week.
Click purchase, click new, then in vendor, click wood corner, in order line, order deadline, click the May 24, 2025. Go to product, then add product, put the large desk, then change the quantity to 10. Click the send RFQ, Type your email. Check and send the request for quotation PDF. Then click send. Click confirm. Then click upload bill. Then print. Then check. Then click sound P. Then put your email again, then send.
Hello, I'm the driver from Wood Corner. I'll be at your warehouse in 5 minutes. Can you open a loading dock?
Okay, go to Ducky. I'll validate the receipt.
Go to inventory, click receipt, then click the validate.
Hi, we've received a bill from the vendor. I put it in your desk. Can you create a check and validate it? No need to pay it right now. The due date is in 2 months.
Click purchase, click P001, then go to other information, go to payment terms and click end of the following month. Upload bill. Then click the bill. In bill date, change into May 24, 2025. Then click confirm. Click pay and create. You will see the journal in back. So you will see in payment. Click print and go to accounting. Click vendors, then click upload, click bill, then open. Then click confirm.
Hi, Brandon from Assure Interior speaking. I've seen beautiful wooden desks in your catalog. Can you send a quote for 3 desks to brandon@gain.odu.com? You'll get it by email right now.
Next in sales, click new, type Brandon, click create, add product, and type large desk. Then click send. type the email address, set email, then click send. Then click confirm.
I'm in a meeting this morning. Can you process and validate the delivery orders that are ready to be shipped today? Make sure that the one from Azure Interior is shipped. Okay, I'll check this right away.
Click inventory. Click to deliver. Then click the validate.
Can you validate which sales order we need to invoice? I'd like to invoice everything for that.
Okay. There's a payment notification. Let's register this payment in the invoice.
In accounting, click customers, then invoices. Click pay, check if the journal is in bank and the payment method is manual payment, then create payment.
Tell me about the net profit of this year. I'm late for a board meeting. Let me check the profit and loss report.
In accounting, click reporting, then click the profit loss. You will see the report.
Shane, I'd like to sell products in the showroom. Can you give me a list of accessories we can easily sell on site?
Sure, no problem. I'll send you the link to the view to the document with all product accessories information.
Great. I'll import the file directly in the system.
Hello. I love these LED lamps. I'll buy 3 right away.
Good. Today's special offer, when buying 2 identical items, you get a 20% discount on the
Great. I'll pay in cash. Here's $600.
I've got a question for you. Can you come over, please?
For closing the shop, I close my POS session and be there in a minute.
Click Settings and click Close Register. Click Close Register and proceed anyway.
How do you plan to control the cash from your register?
There's a functionality in Odoo's POS. I'll figure the option, but then I'll need some cash to set the opening balance when I open a new session. Do you have a sum?
Sure, I can give you $550.
Okay.
Hi, I'll take this whiteboard. It is possible to get an invoice, please?
Sure. Can I have your name, address, and phone number, please?
Yes, my name is Lorraine Douglas, 320 Hannah Street, Asheville, NC, 28801. Phone is 443-648-9155. I'll pay cash. Here is $200.
Hi, I came yesterday and I bought 3 LED lamps. I don't need this one. Can
the LED lamp. Then, click the negative and payment. Cash, then validate to see the receipt.
Date. Don't forget to set and close your balance. You'll need to add the all points and fields you have in the register form.
Yes, I will.
Click the close register. Again, you will see there is a difference, negative 438. Click the sign and put the following to have a 438 total. Then confirm and close the register.
Hey, can you tell me which product are the best sellers?
I'll check on the orders.
In point of sale, click the reporting, then click orders. To see the order analysis, click measure and find the product quantity. Then click the product. And you will see the analysis. You need to download. Click apps and download timesheet.
I'll create a project office design to structure our services. What are the steps involved in designing an office?
Well, it starts with an on-site meeting to check their office and to gather info. Then I prepare 3 proposal designs. And based on their feedback, I model a floor plan. Then sales rep does the quotations with the product.
Okay, thanks. I'll create the stations and the email address. Design add on the project to list the page.
Hi, Google asked us to design their new office in New York.
Send an email to design@yourdomain.name auto.com with subject Google and write to create a task for audio.
In your Gmail account, go to message design@yourdomain.name.auto.com. In Google, New York, message Audrey to your concern to her.
Google NY. In the project office design, can you prioritize it?
Okay, let's start with the task for priority. I will be scheduling a meeting with the customer next week. Once my meeting is done, I'll work on the design proposal.
In Google NY, you will see the following.
I think it's a mistake to offer our office design services for free. If we sell it, customers will be glad to understand the value of others' work.
You're right. We can set the service at $50 per hour. I'll create a product office design service that you can use in your quotations. I'll figure it out to generate tasks for every sales over.
In the sale, you need to create new, click new, then type office design service, then in product type, click service, in create on order, type task, and project office design, invoicing policy based on timesheet. Now, in sales price, put the amount 50 pesos and the cost is 0, and the category, click all are saleable.
I just confirmed our first quotation from the Jackson Group. We sold an office design service estimated at 20 hours. The customer loved it and confirmed the order right away.
Awesome! Check that the task has been created automatically for audit.
Click sales, then click the S002 to open it. You will see the add product and type office design service. Change the quantity to 20, then confirm. Then click preview and click the task above. You will see the office design service quotation.
Audie, don't forget to record your timesheet on task as we charge customer based on our spends.
Hold on, I'm on the phone with the Jackson Group. Okay, I just started to work on the design of the Jackson Group. I love the time spent.
Thanks, use the timesheet app. It's easy.
Type the first call to define their needs, office design, and the Jackson Group. Now, you will see the office design.
Hi, we just finished the plans to manufacture to the new table. Can you review them?
Looks good. I create the core products in the system as well as the bill of materials according to your plan.
Hi, can you send me application for 100 tables, 400 table legs, and 400 booths?
Sure, here is our offer.
Sounds good. I'll send you the purchase order by email.
Okay.
Hello, we just received the products from Only Woods Incorporated. There are 400 table legs and 400 bolts, but they only delivered 80 tabletops. Should I validate the receipt?
Yes, confirm the reception with a back order for 20 remaining products. They deliver the remaining products later.
To validate, click Inventory. Click Inventory, go to Receipt, and click. You will see the Only Wood Incorporation and validate it.
Ernest, we got all the materials we need to start producing this. Can you manufacture 3 tables per showroom?
I'm on it.
Click Manufacturing. Click Operations to find the manufacturing orders and click New. In title of product, type table. Change the quantity into 3. Then click Confirm. Save, then confirm.
I plan to organize a manufacturing line by creating 2 work centers, assemble station, and painting room. Can we put a tablet with instruction on each station?
Sounds like a good idea. I'm creating the routing table production with 2 operations, which is assembling, build of.
Thanks, I created this document to help our workers. Can you upload this worksheet on the assembly operation?
Charlene, our routing is a setup. We can create manufacturing order for the table and plan the work orders. When planned operation become available on the tablet of each workstation.
I'll test the work center control panel at the same time.
Hi, we've got 5 customers complaining about the defects in their table. Looks like the tabletop separates from the legs after a few months.
It's probably related to the bolts. I will create a quality control point on the assembly operation to measure the torque. We will ensure that the measure stays between 11 and 15 nanometers.
That's good. We have to create a new table. We will have the opportunity to test if it through the work center control panel.
FYI, the torque setting measures will be between 11 and 15 nanometers.
Click manufacturing, click overview, operation, then click the manufacturing orders. Now create new. In product, type table, then save. Go to operations, click work orders, click assembly, then click mark as done.
To close my fiscal year, I need to know the cost of the table we manufacture, including the time and materials.
Okay, I'll check the cost structure on the bill of materials for the theoretical cost of U1 update.
Click manufacturing, then click products, bill of materials, click table, then print the BOM overview. Open it, check the following, check the data, then back to your manufacturing bill materials.
I'm launching our new website. Any idea what should be put on our homepage?
Well, I like website with a cover on the top, customized with an office image as background, and I would put some key numbers like 580 customers, 35 employees, 120 design products, and 8 shops. Then we can add 3 columns. We customize, we design, and we manufacture. office chairs online?
Okay, I'll create a product page on the website with a $120 price tag.
Hi, there have been no sales for our new office chairs on the Can we do some search engine optimization?
I target keywords people are looking for on Google with the promote key.
The chairs are selling like crazy. Good job. But people are asking for different colors and sizes.
Okay, I'll activate the variance feature and configure it on the chair pattern. What are the options?
Well, they come in four colors: gray, black, white, and purple, and three sizes: small, medium, and large. We can even put a custom embroidery with their name on it. Last month, we did 350,000 in revenue through the website with an average cart size of $250. Can we upsell customers by proposing other options?
Yes, let's create a new product warranty that we will set an option of the chair. This warranty has two variants, 3 or 5 years.
I love your new warranty service. It would be great to write a news article about it.
Okay, I'll set up the blog on our website and write the first post.
Wait, once my meeting is done, I will. 3, 2, 1.
Di pa, pe. Ako yung solo pa yan.
Hindi na! Isa ako. Ako na ba?
Oo na.
Ito, 1.
Wait, sagutin mo naman! Ayaw na sagutin!
Ito mo nga.